Hi there, students. To teeter. Okay, to teeter is to wobble backwards and forwards. Something that shakes in an unsteady way. It looks like it's going to fall over, to lose its balance. Okay, so he felt himself teetering and thought he was going to fall over. I felt dizzy and started teetering, and I thought I was actually going to fall. So to wobble, to rock, yeah, you're losing your balance. I saw the glass teetering. I knocked the table, and the glass started teetering, and then finally it fell over. Okay, so it's something that's unsteady. It was teetering. Then very often we use this phrase to teeter on the edge of something, to teeter on the verge of something, to teeter on the brink of something. So the company is teetering on the edge of bankruptcy. It's very, very close to the edge of bankruptcy. Okay, so to appear to be about to fall. Okay, he was unsure, and he was teetering on the fence, unsure as to which decision to make. With those enormous high heels, she teetered about, and I thought she might fall over. Okay, so to appear to be about to fall, teetering on the edge. Very close to a difficult or dangerous situation. There are many species that are teetering on the edge of extinction. Yeah, it may go one way or the other. Yeah, to teeter between two courses of action, to waver, to go between one and the other. I teetered between laughing and being very angry. Yes, I'm oscillating, I'm seesawing from one side to the other. Okay, so to teeter, it can either be physical, yeah, to wobble, oh my gosh, to sway backwards and forwards, I think I'm going to fall over. And then something that's teetering on the edge, yeah, it's something bad is very liable to happen. The market was teetering on the edge of collapse. Okay, so to be teetering on the edge of, on the brink of something like that. He's teetering on the edge of a mental breakdown. Just one more thing could send him over the edge. Yeah, he's teetering on the edge of a nervous breakdown. Okay, so he's wobbling, he's rocking, he's swaying. Yeah, he's wavering from one to another. Yeah, I was teetering between the two possibilities. Okay, I was seesawing, I was wavering between the two. Okay, so to teeter, to tilt backwards and forwards on an edge. Yeah, he teetered on the brink of the precipice. To teeter, to be indecisive. Yeah, we teetered about whether to buy these tickets now, or if we didn't, we would probably miss the opportunity. And then to teeter on the edge of something, to teeter on the verge, to be very close to a very negative situation. Okay, and that's the idea. So to teeter on the edge of. I think I would give this 5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. Also notice to teeter is a regular verb. He teetered on the edge of the precipice. It has teetered on, the company has teetered on the edge of bankruptcy for many years. Okay, and then as to origin, let's see, there's a Middle English word titren or tittering, meaning hesitation. Yeah, and that's probably related to an old Norse word, titra, to shake, to shiver, to quiver. Okay, so to teeter, to seesaw from one side to another. Okay, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Teeter. Teeter on the edge.